Welcome to this tutorial on how to AWS Amplify Datastore, a powerful data storage and synchronization service provided by AWS Amplify. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of setting up and using AWS Amplify Datastore to store and manage data in your applications. First, let's start with the basics. To Aws Amplify Datastore is a cloud-based data storage service that allows you to store and manage data in a scalable and secure manner. It provides a simple and intuitive API for storing and retrieving data, and supports both online and offline data access. To get started with AWS Amplify Datastore, you need to install the AWS Amplify CLI and configure it with your To Aws account. Once installed, you can create a new DataStore instance and define your data models using the DataStore schema. The DataStore schema defines the structure of your data, including the tables, fields, and relationships between them. You can define your schema using the DataStore Modeling API, which provides a simple and intuitive way to define your data models. Once your schema is defined, you can start storing and retrieving data using the DataStore API. The API provides a range of methods for creating, reading, updating, and deleting data, and supports both synchronous and asynchronous data access. One of the key features of AWS Amplify Datastore is its support for offline data access. This allows your application to continue functioning even when the user is offline, and provides a seamless user experience. To use offline data access, you need to configure your DataStore instance to cache data locally on the client device. This allows your application to store and retrieve data even when the user is offline, and provides a seamless user experience when the user comes back online. In addition to offline data access, To Aws Amplify Datastore also provides a range of other features, including data synchronization, conflict resolution, and data encryption. These features provide a secure and scalable way to store and manage data in your applications. Best practices for using AWS Amplify Datastore include defining a clear and consistent data model, using data validation and error handling to ensure data integrity, and monitoring and optimizing your DataStore instance for performance. In conclusion, To Aws Amplify Datastore is a powerful and flexible data storage service that provides a simple and intuitive way to store and manage data in your applications. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can get started with AWS Amplify Datastore and start building scalable and secure data-driven applications.